Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off Google Safe Search on your iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you just need to head over to an internet browser and launch up google.com. Then once you're inside of an internet browser and you have Google on your screen, we need to head over to the navigation menu in the top left-hand side. They look like these three horizontal lines going across, so click that. Then select Safe Search down on the left. And inside of Safe Search, we have three different options. You can either turn it off entirely, you can select Blur, which is just going to filter images, or you can select Filter, and that's going to filter out both explicit images and also text and links. But for this demonstration, we'll just be turning it off. If this feature isn't available to you, and you see kind of a locked symbol in the top right-hand side here, that probably means someone else is managing your account, like a parent or school. So in order to override these Safe Search settings, you'll need to contact the account owner. So once you've turned off Safe Search inside of here, we can close out this internet browser. Then you need to head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. Come down to Screen Time and select this. Scroll all the way down to Content and Privacy Restrictions and select that. If you have this feature disabled like I do on the screen here, then you don't have to worry about this step. However, if you do have this toggled on like so, then what you need to do is come down to App Store, Web, Siri, and Game Center Content and select this. Then come down slightly underneath Web Content. You'll see this option for Web Content, so click that. And once again, we have three different options available. You can select Only Approved Websites, and that's only going to allow you to access websites that are on this approved website list down here. Or you can select Limit Adult Websites, and you can choose which ones you want to allow and disallow. Or we can just select Unrestricted, and that's going to give you full access to the internet. So that's basically how you can turn off Google Safe Search on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.